The key, and I mean the key to employee engagement is accountability. Now, before all the seasoned leaders fall out in disbelief, hear this. My research project has over 54,000 employees from 34 nations and been implemented in companies and organizations over 100,000 employees down to 8. And this is one of the things that I have learned is that today's workforce, especially the younger workforce, wants you to hold them accountable, which means that accountability must be active. Well, then the question becomes, how do we effectively or optimize accountability all through our organization? That's why I wrote 3 Wins, to give you a play-by-play book of how to implement accountability throughout your organization.